I'm here in California, Carpinteria, to record my first LinkedIn Learning course, and this is my usual morning routine. Got up at 7:30, got a shower, and now I'm getting ready to meet my producer at the LinkedIn Learning office. So this is the outfit of the day, and I have a spare outfit because I'll be needing it for some shooting stuff. And LinkedIn Learning provided me with the Malibu, which is a sedan, and this was my first time driving it. An awesome car. It almost took me 10 minutes to drive from my hotel, which was Holiday Inn, to the LinkedIn Learning office or studio. But I do want to say the drives in California are amazing, especially I don't remember the highway, but it goes along the coast, and it was awesome. It really, gave me the energy for the day. So I reached the LinkedIn Learning office almost at 8:35, and I was meeting my producer at 8:45 for breakfast. But yeah, it's a huge office. I didn't expect this at all. So time to get some breakfast, and as usual, you all know I'm a coffee fan. Got some scrambled eggs and potatoes. Perfect breakfast for me. Now time to head over to the recording studio. So this is my booth where I'll be recording most of my AWS course, as most of it is in CLI. So all of the screen recording stuff happened here, and I spent most of my time in this booth. Now it's almost 11 a.m. and I needed a break because, you want to keep your voice. So I'm having some warm tea. And this is my producer, Spencer, who helped me with the course. And we are back again at recording some more stuff in the booth. Now, it's almost 2 p.m. and it's time for lunch, so I'm gonna head over to the kitchen. Also, look at this chess piece, it's awesome. The food, I would say, was almost 9 out of 10. The breakfast and the lunch were awesome. I was here for 3 days and I loved it. And now, after some lunch, I'm heading back to do some studio recordings. And this is my first time getting my makeup and hair done. And this is the recording studio where most of the stuff where I'll be on screen was shot. And you can see the massive studio that they have. And this is only one of them. They had multiple of these studios for other instructors. And here are some candid shots of me recording the AWS course. Okay, and after that shoot, I was almost done for my day. Now it's time to head back, and I have a trail that I wanted to visit. As I said, Carpinteria was a beautiful city with some amazing beaches, and as you can tell from this shot, it's just amazing to look over the coast.